In just a mo, I'll give you a brief explanation behind each answer, linking the vocabulary or contextual links between the text and the question. I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your coursebook is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to take the time to find the vocabulary and contextual links that I'll be talking about. Ready? Then let's go. For question 1, the answer is G, because G refers to Tesla's hugely loyal fan base, and this group of people is the answer to the question asked in the main text just before the gap. But who were the people who so rapidly answered the call? For question 2, the answer is D, because one of these, which is mentioned in D, refers back to the Tesla coil mentioned in the main text before the gap. Also, the end of D says that was Tesla's undoing. The main text after the gap goes on to describe this undoing involving Marconi in more detail. For question 3, the answer is A, because the bit in A, not the first time Tesla had seen a rival pip him at the post, refers to the contextual flow involving the last paragraph and question 2, D. In other words, the undoing and the way it happened. A also talks about Tesla inventing the electric light bulb, and in the main text after the gap, it goes on to explain Tesla's involvement in the success of the light bulb. For question 4, the answer is F, because F continues the context of what else we have to be thankful to Tesla for. In other words, electricity coming out of sockets. Also, F starts the discussion of Tesla versus Edison regarding forms of electricity, which is continued in the main text after the gap. For question 5, the answer is C, because C says Tesla fans often demonize his great rival, Edison in this case, and that links back to the main text before the gap and their rivalry. Also, the exaggeration of Tesla and his work presented in C is countered in the main text after the gap in recognizing that Tesla was a man of exceptional talents. For question 6, the answer is E, because conflicts mentioned at the start of E refers back to what happened between Tesla and his professor in the main text. Also, the strange habits in the main text after the gap refer to the activities mentioned in E, sleeping only 2 to 3 hours a night, and his various loathings.